And subtract decimals, we have to make sure we line the decimals up. So I'm going to line my two decimals up, and then I'll write my numbers. So I have 3.76 minus 0.53. I'll start with 6 minus 3, which gives me 3. And then I'll do 7 minus 5, which gives me 2. And then we'll do 3 minus 0, which gives us 3. When we add or subtract, we have to remind ourselves to line up our decimals. So we'll line up our decimals first, and then we'll write our numbers. I have 4.8, so the 4 goes in front of the decimal, and the 8 goes after. I have 2.978, so the 2 goes in front of the decimal, and the 978 goes afterwards. Now, I have these two values right here that go past, which means I have to add 2 zeros. This 10 is this 0 right here will turn into a 10, and this 0 right here will turn into a 9, and then this 8 right here will turn into a 7. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. So we can't do 7 minus 9, so this will change to a 17, and this will change to a 3. 17 minus 9 gives us 8, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. So we drop down the decimal, and that gives us 1.82. Now we have 23 minus 1.72. Right here, I have to remind myself that we have to line up our decimals when we add or subtract. There's a decimal right here, but there's not one for the 23. So I would put my decimal right here. And I had 23 point minus 1.72. I have to add 2 zeros to match up with the 7 and the 2 right here. This 0 turns into a 10, and this 0 turns into a 9. So this 3 turns into a 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then we drop down that 2. Drop that decimal straight down, and that gives us 21.28.